That's super cool. So we're over here in San Jose checking out Lowrider Day. I think this is like the first Lowrider Day since the ban, but let's go check out all the cool cars.
Look at this color. It's a super nice. I like this color. It's a really nice magenta-y pink.
When I was younger, I was trying to learn how to draw cars, and this is one of the cars that was in the book. I remember. It's super cool. This is an old school Impala.
Really? Even with the fenders like this?
Yeah. Look at how futuristic it is. Look at this. Look at this. You know how much detail
you have to put to be wanting to put mirrors.
you have to be like.
Yeah.
That's the cool thing about lowriders is everything is touched.
What is it? Where?
The one on the other side, see?
Oh, yeah.
I mainly wanted to see like what is the difference. Yo. That was so cool. So that pretty much wraps it up, guys. Everybody's gonna go cruising now, so I guess that's our cue to head out. But this was really, really cool. I'm glad that there's stuff like this, like chill meets, you know what I mean? Like functions where like everybody just brings out their nice cars and just chills.
Yeah.
Oh.
After that, I fucking bring me bust a rhyme again.